preserver. So first of all, our respectable Sarvaji, my judges and my talented fellows, good afternoon. So as you know, today is our presentation today. You know that on Thursday Sarvaji attempted the lecture which was very memorable. So that was, I'm very thankful to, because he arranged that kind of program, and after the lecture I know very well that what is the value of time, what is the time. So I little bit punctual. So first begin for the Sarvaji. So the topic is time. On that day I gained some little bit knowledge which today I shared between you people. So what somebody can ask, what is time? So what we say? Time is punctuality. Time is journey. Time is the just key to get success. Time is now. Somebody says time is a good teacher. Somebody says time is a villain. Somebody says time is like a train which never comes back. Time is like like a flying rocket. So means there's many definitions. So we decide it as so. There is one quotation. That is, there is no royal road to success, but after success, every road becomes royal. So means for success, for destiny, what we have time, and we just just misbehave with the time. We don't know what is the value. We don't. It is a bless of Almighty Allah that is I've already said this is the key of success. But if we lose the key of success, means it is not possible to get success, to get destiny. So means no royal road, no success, no destiny. If the train arriving at a leaving station at the 6th minute, it is said we said that to have a right or left punctuality. Thus punctuality is a great attention to the appointed time. There is an English proverb that we say the time and tide wait for no man. So suppose we have to do a certain work on a particular morning at 8 o'clock, but we get up too late, the hour has passed away. Means the particular morning will not come in again and again. So means we lost the chance. But punctuality of time has a great virtue. It is not difficult to practice, but it is possible to every person. Let's say one thing that it is once an artist lost the chance of becoming a great because he could not be punctual maybe. So what happens with him that he was a painter, a very nice painter, but he was going to paint the portrait of Queen Victoria, but what happened? He arrived half an hour late. So what's happened? He had and the Queen had left the palace. Why it happens? Because we do not know how we manage our time. We do not know what is the value of time, but we very well know what is the value of money. Right? Sometimes we say how we say that time is more important than money. Is it? It is important. We say that time is anybody. Okay, no, we actually stupid. We think that many important, but means money is more important than time. But have we think that in particular time we stupid earn the money? So means it is very rarely the public meetings begins at the appointed time, but our public leaders should not come to reach in particular time. It takes half an hour they come late. Means we commonly say that still we are not punctual. We just like our life just like animals. So why we cannot manage our time to achieve our goal, to get success, to get destiny in our life? So no one can manage our time, but we have to manage ourselves and our work and the people around us. So make schedule of your life, of your daily life, means what work to do, why to do, when you do. because time is not that which we have to use very widely and protectively. So give the importance to the time in your life means always keep in your pocket. Remember that if today if you respect your time, tomorrow the world should respect you. Last, I mean, before this lecture, my example that before the day before this lecture, so we announced that means you have to reach in a particular time, that is 10:30. But I know that this is the Pakistan, so means 10:30 means 11:30. So I reached 11:30 when just I entered. So lecture was started before the 1 year. So I mean after the 1 hour, yeah. So after this lecture, I know what Mr. Burrow's lecture. I will be ashamed. I will be abashed that how I missed this time. How I forget that this is not the time. I cannot reach in the particular time. Thank you very much.
Excellent.